Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download and install Deadlock game on your PC. First you have to open up your any browser. And once you open it, search for the Steam on your any browser. And the Steam website will appear on the top, just open it. Now here you will see login option on the right hand top, just click on that login option. And if have an account then log in, and not then simply create an account. And once you created the account, click on the option of install Steam you are seeing on the top. And here just download the Steam and install it onto your PC. And guys, this is very simple and easy. And after that open up the Steam, then click on the top search box and just type here Deadlock. Now once you type it, this game will appear on the top. Simply click on the first game, which is Deadlock. Now once it was open, here scroll down. This game is not released on the Steam yet, but this game was releasing soon, so keep an eye on future updates, and when it was available on Steam you can download it easily. And please like this video and hit the bell icon. When this was available we informed you as soon as possible.